There are two options to dry herbs. One is to make a smoothie. That has already been discussed in other videos. But in short, you add a little bit of water, you make a smoothie, you need to now freeze it onto the drawers and then place the drawers to the machine and start the drying process. The other option is now to take the fresh material, such as this one, and to freeze it and dry it. What you have to consider here are two things. One, again, you have two options. One is you place the material as is. This works actually well for basil. I know people do that. They do not cook it. You just collect the harvest the basil, put it to the machine, and immediately put it to vacuum and dry. What happens again is the material will be cooked, but it seems to be okay for basil. For cilantro, like here, I do not know. I mean, it's also always a question of taste. If you wish to start with frozen material, you need to freeze this on the drawers of the machine to -25. Then put the machine to at least a drawer's temperature of 0 to -5 Celsius. Then place the drawers quickly to the machine, because since this material has so little mass, it will very soon it will start to get warm, and then again it will be a cooked material in the machine. This is especially challenging if you do not have a air-conditioned environment. If it's summer, this will be a bit difficult. But if you work fast, you will make it. Of course, one option that will take more time is, of course, to do the process in this way, and then again put the machine for 1, 2, or 3 hours to freeze, to be sure that the material is frozen, and then only start the process.